You know what's crazy? I used to spend hours editing videos, cutting clips, adding music, fixing transitions. Now, I literally just send a message, like texting a friend, and I get a finished video back. No timeline, no prompts, no editing. And honestly, it almost feels like cheating. So today I'm showing you something I just got access to. It's called Pexo AI, and it's still in beta. And I decided to test it properly, not just click around, but actually try to create real videos with it. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened. The good, the weird, and the wait, that's it moments. Also, if you want to try it yourself, I'll drop my invite link in the description. So first thing, this doesn't feel like a normal AI tool. Usually with AI video stuff, you open it and it's like, figure out features first. Write a perfect prompt. Choose a model. And you're just sitting there like, bro, I just want a video. But with Pexo, you literally just type something like, make me a cinematic ad for a coffee brand at sunrise with a cozy vibe. That's it. No prompt engineering, no formatting. And then it starts thinking. Not in a scary way, but in a transparent way. You actually see how it breaks down your idea into scenes, visuals, pacing. It's like watching a creative director inside your screen. Now here's where it gets even crazier. You don't even need to use a website. You can literally use this inside chat apps through OpenClaw, like messaging your AI assistant. So imagine this. You open your WhatsApp or Telegram. Type, create a product ad for my sneaker brand. Fast-paced, urban vibe. Send, and then it comes back with a fully generated video. Not a clip, not raw footage, a complete video, music, transitions, everything. And if you don't like something, you just reply, make it more energetic, change the music, add subtitles, no redoing prompts, no starting over, just conversation.
Born on the street, built for the relentless. Step.
Now I also tried the full web version, and this is where it gets even more interesting. You tell Pexo what you want, and within moments, Pexo comes back with multiple creative directions, visual previews, different styles, different structures laid out side by side for you to compare. It's like having an agency pitch you concepts, except it takes seconds instead of days. You pick the one you like, or mix and match, and Pexo starts producing. And the editing part? This might be my favorite thing. Instead of timelines and layers, you just click on a frame, circle the part you want to change, and leave a comment. Like, make this brighter, change this angle, and it fixes it. No scrubbing, no tools, no headache. So I wanted to test this properly. I gave it a real task. Create a short lifestyle ad for a skincare product. Clean, minimal, aesthetic vibe. And I expected, okay, maybe I'll get something decent and then I'll have to edit it myself. But no, it came back with a full video, smooth transitions, matching music, good pacing, like something you'd actually post. You can generate up to 2 minutes of content in a single run. And what's crazy is, if I wanted to extend it, change scenes, or even turn it into a different style, I didn't have to restart anything. I just kept talking to it. That's the part that feels different. It's not a tool you use. It's more like a creative partner you collaborate with. And I think this is the biggest shift, as this is not about learning how to use AI. It's about not needing to learn anything at all. You don't learn prompts, learn editing, learn software. You just have an idea, say it, get a video. That's it. It removes that gap between I have an idea and I actually made something. So yeah, I didn't expect much going into this. But after actually using it, this feels like where AI video is heading. Less features, more conversation. If you want to try Pexo AI yourself, I've got an invite link in the description. It's still in beta, so get in early. And let me know, what would you create if making videos was this easy?